Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Today is Friday, January the 5th, 2024. These are the news making the headlines on Links007 TV. Popular dancehall entertainer Moses Davis, stage name Beenie Man, announces engagement. Congratulatory messages have been pouring in for veteran dancehall entertainer Beenie Man after the entertainer announced on Thursday night that he proposed to his girlfriend Camille Lee. In a post to his official Instagram page, the Simsima DJ expressed that after 23 years of searching, he finally found the one in his newly minted fiancée. 23 years in the making, but finally found my forever Camille. She's been my rock, lifting me up and supporting me through every emotional roller coaster. He captioned a video of him sliding on the ring on her finger. Her energy and light have brought new life to my music. I couldn't have done it without her by my side. Forever grateful for her love and support, he captioned the video. Beenie Man, whose real name is Moses Davis, and his partner made their relationship official back in November 2021. This is not the first time Beenie Man has been engaged. He was previously married to fellow dancehall entertainer The Angel in 2006. They separated back in 2010 while their divorce was finalized official in 2019. Beenie Man was previously linked to social media personality Crystal Tomlinson. Fans thought wedding bells would have ring, especially when the pair welcomed a daughter back in 2018. However, the two called their relationship quits in 2021. Continuing the news. Media executive Yvonne Wilkes makes King Charles III honors list. Jamaican media executive Yvonne Wilkes O'Grady has been named on the British King's 2024 New Year's Honours list. She is to receive the Officer of Order of the British Empire for her contribution to media, publishing and charity. The Order of the British Empire is awarded in grades of ranks and are awarded to prominent nationals or regional roles in the UK, as well as persons making distinguished and notable contribution in their own specific areas of activity. The grades in descending order are Commander, Officer and Member. These are awarded without restrictions on number. Wilkes O'Grady's decades-long career has left a major impact on the UK and Jamaican media landscape. According to her LinkedIn profile, Wilkes O'Grady started her media career in the UK in 1984, working with several publications including Honey Magazine, Reader's Digest Association and Voice Media Group. In a statement from the Jamaican diaspora community, which lauded Wilkes O'Grady on her achievement, said that after she returned home to Jamaica in 1998, she shepherded the transformation of Radio Jamaica into the RJR Communications Group. She was also instrumental in relaunching JBC, also known as Super Supreme, into Television Jamaica. Wilkes O'Grady served as Director of Marketing at the RJR Communication Group until March of 2005, when she took on the role of Deputy Managing Director at the UK's Voice Media Group. She is considered a pioneer in the media industry, having co-founded Root Magazine and contributed to the publication like Weekly Journal, Pride Magazine, Reader's Digest, TV Guide, among many others. She currently serves as a consultant for corporate affairs at RJR Gleaner Group, her LinkedIn profile stated. Beyond media, Wilkes O'Grady is said to have championed some charity causes, most notably as a supporter of the Genesis Academy for Children and Young Adults with Disabilities. The Jamaican diaspora community in a statement said it stands united in celebrating Yvonne Wilkes O'Grady's well-deserved recognition. It added that her contributions have not only elevated the representation of Jamaican heritage in the media, but have also made a tangible and positive impact on the society. Continuing the news. Entertainer Andre Sutherland, more popularly known as Popcorn, slapped with 5 charges related to unruly fest incident. Dancehall artist Popcorn, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, was slapped with 5 charges on Thursday, January the 4th. Sutherland attended the Era 5 police headquarters in Kingston, where he was served with 5 summonses related to his behavior at the recent staging of his unruly fest in Yala St. Thomas between Friday, December 22 and Saturday, December 23rd. Police tried to put an abrupt end to the event as it was passing the allotted time that was given for the event. In the midst of the performance of dancehall recording artist Joshi, a police could be seen on stage trying to put an abrupt end to the event.
We can say one more thing about Uncle. Hold on, Uncle. Look here now. Uncle, watch you now. That's why St. Thomas can better. For the fight for the team, what we do? We don't move up. We can't hold up. We're not getting up, Carlos. We're not right. We're not fighting this country. Oh, Antonio. St. Thomas can better than them here. Now run St. Thomas here.
The popular Jamaican dancehall entertainer is charged with the following offences: breach of the Noise Abatement Act, using abusive and calumnious language, using indecent language, and disorderly conduct. He is to appear in the St. Thomas Parish Court in Morant Bay on Wednesday, January the 10th to answer to the charges. Continuing the news. Cockatee is alive, however his health condition has deteriorated. Contrary to a number of reports circulating on social media, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that reggae singer Cockatee is not dead. Reports surfaced online Thursday evening that the veteran entertainer had passed away. It is believed that the singer is ill and has been hospitalized. However, the severity of his condition is not known up to the publication of this report. However, it is known that he is not doing very well. Calvin Cockatee Scott was born in Rocky Point, Clarendon, and has a home in Florida, USA, where he is residing now. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Continuing the news. 14-year-old boy charged with attempted rape and wounding with intent. A 14-year-old boy accused of entering his victim's room and attempted to rape her has been arrested and charged following the incident on Crawford Street in Mount Salem, St. James 3 days ago. The teen, who has been charged with attempted rape, burglary, and wounding with intent, has not yet been named because he is a minor. Reports from the Montego Bay Police are that at about 11:40 p.m. on January 2nd, the boy again entered to the victim's home where he attempted to rape her. A struggle ensued and he reportedly used a knife to inflict several stab wounds to the upper part of the body and the head of the female. During the incident, the female managed to raise an alarm and he ran from the home. A day after the incident on January the 3rd, a citizen arrested the boy and escorted him to the police station. He was charged after a question and answer session. The police said that his court date is to be finalized. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Continuing the news. Mother and her 3-year-old daughter gone missing in Spanish Town. 43-year-old Melissa Mitchell and her 3-year-old daughter, Nicanora Mitchell, both of Queensborough Terrace Golden Acres in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, have been missing since Monday, January the 1st. Melissa is of dark complexion, medium build, and Nicanora is of dark complexion. Reports from the Caymanas police are that Melissa and her daughter were last seen in their community and have not been seen or heard from since. Their mode of dress at the time they went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Melissa Mitchell and Nicanora Mitchell is being asked to contact the Caymanas police at 876-988-1719, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Continuing the news. Woman granted bail for her alleged involvement in big workplace robbery. A woman who is charged with her alleged involvement in the robbery of a phone store where she was employed in Claremont, St. Anne, was granted $200,000 bail when she appeared in the St. Anne Parish Court. Bethany Grant, a 20-year-old resident of Lidford Housing Scheme in Golden Grove, St. Anne, is charged with shop breaking and larceny, conspiracy, and misprision felony. She was granted bail last week ahead of New Year's celebrations. Her co-accused 30-year-old Demario Finnegan, a bus driver of Riverhead Maneeg, also in St. Anne, is facing similar charges. According to the Claremont Police, law enforcement officers were alerted to the phone store by a resident at around 12:30 a.m. on Sunday, December 17. On their arrival, a search was carried out and 3 men were seen running from the building. It was later discovered that the men gained entrance to the building and stole $1.9 million in cash, 35 cellular phones and other electronics valued at $780,000. Finnegan was reportedly apprehended while driving a bus that was transporting the robbers. 2 of the robbers jumped from the vehicle and made good their escape while the police intercepted the bus. Law enforcement searched the vehicle and discovered the stolen phones. Finnegan was subsequently arrested following a probe. Grant was also detained. They were both later charged. During a bail application for Grant last week, prosecutors said that the accused woman was employed at the store as a customer service agent. The prosecution alleged that she plotted with the alleged robbers by providing them with vital information on how to gain access to the store, but Grant, through her attorney, denied these claims. The attorney said Grant only knew Finnegan through her boyfriend. She said the now accused man joked about robbing the store, but she did not believe Finnegan was serious about doing so. After hearing the application, presiding judge granted the accused woman bail. Grant is to return to court on January 2, 2024. It was not immediately clear if Finnegan remains in custody. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.